Hello, welcome to these video tutorials to help with the technology skills that will be needed for the 2015-2016 school year when completing the PARCC assessment. Let's look at taking practice with the equation editor. Now, it's very nice this year how PARCC allows us to work with the equation editor and practice it out. So let's click down here, practice with the equation editor, and we will see a couple different sections here. So let's start the test, start the section, and it'll give us directions. There's two different equation editors. Basically, there's the basic, where you can only enter in math, such as different types of numbers, math symbols, and letters used to represent numbers. The directions may state, enter your answer in the space provided. Enter only your answer, expression, equation, or solution. Besides the basic, there's the open response equation editor. This allows you to enter math, such as different types of numbers, math symbols, and letters used to represent numbers. You may also enter text, such as words and punctuation. The directions may state, enter your answer, expression, equation, or solution, and your work, explanation, or justification in the space provided. So let's go over to the next. Okay, and as we see it right here, we have the math-only equation editor. So very simply, I can write 3, in the equation editor, 3 minus 4, and it allows me to go back and forth, to just type everything in. Every time I click a math symbol, it will bring up a box for me to type a number. If I made 2 times, I can click back and I can type in the box. We can clear it all out. Fractions. This also lets me do fractions. So watch how I do fractions. I'm going to click on the fraction. Gives me the little cursor down there. 3. Then I'm going to click in the bottom box and write 2 down there as well. Let me undo that. I can also do a mixed number where I'm going to write 3 2/3. So 3, click up, and 2/3. So this one is only for math. Let me bookmark this. So let's go to the next. And here, as you can see, it's a much bigger box, and it allows me to explain my answer. So my answer for this solution is the equation x equals 3 plus 2. The solution to that equation is 5. So as you can see, I'm writing words and numbers using the math symbols. So if I go next, finally, like I showed you in the math test, it will let me know that I have all my questions answered, but I have one bookmarked. So if I look into review, I can go back to number 2, realize that is what I want, unbookmark it, go back to review again. I see 0 are not answered and 0 are bookmarked. Go to end of section. And here I can submit my final answers. So wait for your teacher to let you know. You can submit the final answers. A warning will come up and you can submit the final answers again. So make sure you take use of the equation editor and practice. So once again, thank you. And this short video will help you with the equation editor for the 2015-2016 PARCC assessment with the technology skills needed.